Notion's messaging. In settings and members, in my notifications, it's very important to have always send email notifications turned on. Otherwise the other team members want to receive our email messages. We can send messages on page level by add discussion, or nearby an object we can hit the bulleted icon and opening a command. The most straightforward, for example, if we enter a different page, to go to add discussions. Here I can add some message and to refer a different team member, and I hit enter or the send button. It's the same, and then I hit outside. Now in the other browser I usually have this mark about my new message. If I opening this, I can go to the message and I can transfer. I am going back to the other browser. Now I'm having the red mark, and I can hit resolve to clean up the conversation. In all updates in inbox, I still have the complete conversation, and I can even reply